Need a pasta recipe you can cook for your family in less than 30 minutes? Here's the pasta recipe for you. We have ground beef, we have pasta, we have bell peppers, and beautiful flavors in this pasta. So you have your ground beef in the pan, break it up, cook it a little bit, then you add your chopped onions. You can use any kind of onions you want. After that, you're going to add your bell pepper, chopped up bell pepper. Then you add your seasoning. You can use any seasoning you like. Anything you have at home, it works fine. Then you add your uncooked pasta to this pan and add a little bit of water to cook the pasta with the ground beef. Just a little bit till so you can cook it till it's al dente for like 10 minutes or 12 minutes to get the pasta done. You could either eat this pasta by itself like that, or you can add some mozzarella cheese at the end to give it extra flavor. It's an easy recipe you can try at home, last minute recipe, or you can meal prep this and store up in the fridge for your family to eat over the weekend or later in the week. Let me know in the comment section which would you like. This pasta recipe with cheese or without cheese? Let me know. I'm going to be eating that with this pasta without cheese, and my family is going to have it with cheese because I love cheese. It's a very easy recipe you can try. Like, share, comment below. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Enjoy watching the rest of the video. Thank you.